Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LaB, and today I decided to flat iron my hair. I was gonna show you guys like a start to finish, but I didn't really feel like doing all of that because then I would have to set up my camera and move it and all that. So I decided once I got out the shower, I shampooed my hair and deep conditioned with healing hibiscus, and then I rinsed it out, and then I took like a dime size amount of it and I spread it through my hair, and then I began blow drying, and that is all that I use to flat iron my hair, is literally a dime size amount of that. And that way my hair is like not dried out, but it still has like a ton of body. So I made sure I did that, and then I came through with my blow dryer. I used the Revlon one on a medium with a low heat, whatever the warm but not all the way high heat is. And then I come through with this blow dryer and blow dry my roots, because I don't know if it's just me, but I always feel like my roots are never quite dry. So I usually come in with a separate dryer and then blow dry my roots out. So then once I get started flat ironing my hair, I always use a fine tooth comb, and I do the chase method every single time I flat iron my hair. Using this method just really gets it straight, and I don't have to keep going over the same spots over and over. So I just feel like this helps me not get so much heat damage. And also, everything I'm using in this video, I'll make sure to link it below. If you guys have any questions, just comment and let me know. I hope this video kind of helps you guys, because yeah, that's really what I hope. The next tip I will say, guys, make sure your shirt is not damp. After I blow dry my hair, my shirt was still a little damp, and I really did not want my hair to frizz up, so I went ahead and changed that out. Like, I know that may seem minor, but you don't want to get done flat ironing your whole head and then have like a ball of frizz in the back. So, yep, just throwing that out there. I never realized how many weird faces I make. But y'all, after I got done, those ends needed a good trimming. I tried to keep most of my trimming in here, but I don't think I did. But I put some of the trimming in here. And I just got a lot of those dead ends off of my hair, which was much needed. I don't have like a specific like time frame that I trim my hair, but I usually trim it maybe like 3-4 times a year. So yeah, and most of the time I actually trim it curly, but I guess because I flat ironed my hair today, I went ahead and trimmed it straight. And just be careful when you trim your own hair, because you have to realize that when your hair shrinks up, it is going to be shorter than what you're expecting. And make sure you don't trim that middle too much, because that's usually your tightest portion, and you don't want to have that weird, you know, smush small part in the middle, crown area, and then everything else is like long and, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. After I trimmed it, I applied a little oil that I got from Olaplex and wrapped my hair up, and that's it, y'all. I bumped the ends a little bit, took it old school for you guys, and I just absolutely love my hair. I just feel like it's so healthy. I am trying to grow my color out, because although I love color, I do believe that eventually, you know, it has to go. So that's my goal this year, is to grow all this color out. And but thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.